In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox column in Smartsheet. If you're organizing tasks, managing approvals, or simply tracking yes or no decisions, a checkbox column is one of the quickest ways to make your sheet more interactive and easy to update. It gives you a clean, visual way to mark something as complete or pending without typing a single word. Here's how to do it in the simplest possible way. In the sheet where you want this feature, move your attention to the far right edge of your columns. Just beyond your last column header, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus is your quick add control for inserting a new column. Click that plus. A compact menu will appear with a few column type options. From that menu, choose Checkbox. That's it. Smartsheet instantly inserts a new column configured for checkboxes on the right side of your sheet. Once added, every cell in that column shows an empty box you can click to toggle on or off. Checked means true. Unchecked means false. Behind the scenes, Smartsheet treats these as Boolean values, which is incredibly useful. You can filter rows to show only items that are checked, highlight rows based on the box's status with conditional formatting, or reference the checkbox column in formulas to drive counts and summaries. It also plays nicely with reports and dashboards, where a quick tally of checked items can give you instant progress visibility. A quick note about locating that plus icon: it lives just past your last visible column. On smaller screens or wide sheets, the far right may sit outside your current view, so keep in mind that the control is anchored to the end of your column set. If you're working in a shared environment and you don't see the plus, it may be because your permission level doesn't allow structural changes or the sheet is locked. In that case, an editor or admin role is typically required to add new columns. Checkbox columns are best when the answer is strictly yes or no. They're perfect for flags like approved, completed, ready to publish, or include in export. If your process needs multiple states, like not started, in progress, and done, then a different column type, such as a dropdown, might be a better fit. To recap, on the far right of your sheet, click the plus icon, pick Checkbox from the mini menu, and your checkbox column is ready to use. Simple, fast, and effective.